When I visit a new city, I like to check out cool neighborhoods, look at all the different places to eat, and then try to find the best spot. But it doesn't always work out. So today on a North End food tour, we're gonna do just that, but with the help of an expert guide.
The Italians really took over the neighborhood we're about to check out. I've been coming to the North End since my college years, more than 20 years. And as I told you, I want to start with some bread. So let's go check it on out.
First stop is for some fresh baked bread, family style.
You need to smell this.
We're doing Parmesan prosciutto and we're doing it family style. So it's kind of a fist and twist motion.
Grab that.
Yeah, there you go. You can bend, you can twist, yeah.
This is so good.
We are going to go to a place called Victoria next.
Our next stop is the oldest cafe here in Boston, and if you come here, you have to get a cappuccino and a cannoli.
Been here since 1929. They're famous for their cappuccino. If you've never had a cannoli, you're going to love it.
Settled in the 1600s by English colonists, this neighborhood is one of the oldest in Boston.
Whenever you're following the Freedom Trail, every so often you'll hit one of these badges. This is when you know you're at one of the historic sites. Paul Revere's house. This is where he lived, 1770 to 1800. One of the most iconic statues of Boston. Paul Revere depicted on his midnight ride. Tuesday, April 18th, 1775, helps warn the countryside the British are on the march. To indicate to Charlestown, he would have 2 lamps hung from the steeple of this church. Called the Old North Church, originally called Christ's Church, built in 1723, oldest standing church in Boston.
The day was amazing. Totally recommend it. Food portion was going into the Italian district and it was full of character, which was awesome.
So we had a little sampling of all the different kind of foods. It was tremendous, really good.
Whew, I am absolutely stuffed. We tried so many North End delicacies today, and along with the great company, our guide knew so much about these backstreet spots and hidden gems. I feel like I really ate like a local today.